What's up, guys? Welcome to DIY Mitch's channel. In this video, I'm putting you in the driver's seat of a 35-foot diesel pusher. For those interested in what it's like to drive one of these RVs, this will give you an idea from a steering wheel point of view. Before we get into it, please consider subscribing. I've got all kinds of content, and I'm sure you'll find something interesting, so browse my channel for more than 500 videos and shorts. Without further ado, let's get right into it. This motorhome is a 2014 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo. A Cummins ISB 300 horsepower diesel engine powers it, with an Allison 6-speed 2500 mH transmission. The chassis is a Freightliner XCS Air Ride with air brakes. I've made slight modifications to this motorhome, including new Michelin X ZE tyres on the steers and Falcon FY 150 tyres on the drives. In addition to replacing the RV stock tyres, I've also added a Safe T Plus steering stabilizer. I run these tyres at 100 psi all the way around. As a note, you can also see my TPMS. This is a critical component to any motorhome without a built-in TPMS. Your tyre pressures are a very critical part to your safety and drivability. As you watch me drive, you will notice slight variations in steering wheel angle and the amount of degrees it takes to control the RV. Once we get up to speed, which is approximately 65 miles per hour, I'll time-lapse for you to exacerbate the movements needed to control the RV. If you are fighting the steering wheel more than this, there could be a more serious issue going on, which would require you to have a professional heavy-duty truck mechanic check it out. Keep in mind that most, if not all, RV dealerships are not equipped to deal with chassis-related issues. Do your research to find a qualified mechanic. Well, this is about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and stick around and stay tuned to DIY Mitch's channel for more exciting content.